Understanding in-store return, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase you might encounter often, especially while shopping: in-store return. It's a common term, but can sometimes be confusing for English language learners. Let's break it down together. In-store return refers to the process of returning a purchased item back to a physical store, as opposed to sending it back through mail or online. This phrase is commonly used in retail and shopping contexts. For example, if you buy a shirt online and it doesn't fit, you might return it in-store. There are several reasons why someone might opt for an in-store return. 1. Immediate processing. Returns are often processed quicker in-store. 2. Personal interaction. You can speak directly with store staff. 3. Save on shipping, avoiding the cost and hassle of mail returns. Here are the typical steps for an in-store return. 1. Bring the item and receipt. Always have your purchase receipt. 2. Locate the customer service desk. This is where returns are usually handled. 3. Explain your reason. Clearly state why you're returning the item. 4. Complete the process. Follow any additional instructions from the staff. 1. Do I need the original packaging? 2. Often, yes, but policies vary by store. 3. Can I return online purchases in store? 4. Many stores allow this, but check their policy first. 5. Is there a time limit for returns? 6. Usually, there's a set period, e.g., 30 days, for returns. I hope this video helps clarify what in-store return means and how you can navigate this process. Remember, each store has its own policies, so it's always good to check them out. Happy shopping and returning! If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time!